Chin chin is a very popular Nigerian snack that is made by frying up a very flavorful dough, and the outcome is crunchy, delicious, slightly sweet snacks that you can enjoy at the comfort of your home. The recipe is going to be easy to follow, and you can serve the chin chin as a snack, appetizer, and it's going to be an amazing time. You're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your dry ingredients. So I'm going to add in my flour, add in some baking powder, nutmeg, which is going to add in lots of flavor to our chin chin. Next, you're going to add in salt, next you're going to be adding in your margarine into the dry ingredients, and you can also use softened butter. Then using your fingertips, you're going to massage in the margarine until it fully combines with the ingredients. When you notice little clumps of flour just like this, you're going to add in your wet ingredients. So I'm going to crack in 1 egg, add in my milk and sugar. Go in with my hands and knead until a dough is formed. If you notice that your dough is super sticky, you can sprinkle in with some extra all-purpose flour until you get a soft dough. So I'm going to knead mine for around 2 to 3 minutes. When your dough is perfect, you're going to be resting your dough for around 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest. After 5 minutes, you're going to place a frying pan and add in enough cooking oil to fry your chin chin. So I've already done that. So the next step is to roll out my dough. So I'm going to transfer to my countertop. Then I'm going to knead for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you can see, the texture of the dough is not sticky at all, and it's not also firm. So it's just in between. So I'm going to sprinkle some flour to my countertop so that I can roll out my dough. And using my rolling pin, I'm going to roll out the dough to half an inch. Very carefully, I'm going to divide the dough equally. I find using a pizza cutter simpler because you cut in a straight line, almost, as you can see. You can also drop in a piece of dough into the cooking oil if you don't have a skewer to check if the cooking oil is ready. If the piece of dough floats immediately, the cooking oil is perfect. So I'm going to carefully drop in the rest of the dough into the cooking oil. Don't overcrowd your pan because the temperature of the oil is going to drop, and then you're going to have some soggy chin chin. So I'm going to be frying for around 1 to 2 minutes as I move around the little pieces of dough using my skimmer so that they can brown on all sides. Immediately you place in the little pieces of dough into the cooking oil, you're going to catch a very nice aroma because we added in some nutmeg. It's been around a minute and they're starting to have a very nice golden brown color. So I'm going to fry for another 1 minute so that I can have the perfect color for my chin chin. Meanwhile, I'm going to be separating my little pieces of dough so that I can add in my next round. After around 2 to 3 minutes, my second round is ready. So I'm going to use my skimmer and scoop out, transfer to a bowl so that I can add in my next round. Once done making the chin chin, you'll definitely love the easy to follow recipe because as you have seen, the ingredients are very basic. And once done making your dough, you'll just fry up the chin chin and it will turn out amazing. I definitely love how my chin chin has turned out. As you can see, it has a very nice golden brown color and the inside is tender and soft. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe and it will turn out amazing.